The US government shut down itself on Tuesday in preparation for a major snowstorm. The country's northeast is hunkered down for gusty winds and heavy snowfall of up to 30 centimetres. Temperatures are expected to fall below freezing as far south as northern Florida. This was the scene around the deserted US Capitol building in Washington, D.C. at around about 2:30 p.m. Tuesday afternoon. Hundreds of thousands of civil servants had been ordered to stay at home. Schools are closed and nearly 3,000 flights were grounded.
I am entering my 8th month of pregnancy and I am done with the snow. So I am ready for it to be warm again.
Oh Lord, the snow, it's too much for me now.